Hi, first graders. It's time for our three-part drill. First, we're going to practice some of the sounds that we've been working on the past couple of weeks. The first one, remember, the sounds of ED has three sounds. It makes the D sound, makes the T sound, and the ID sound. We always see this at the end of a word. Ing, unk, ink, ank, onk, ong, ang, ung. E magic E says E. U magic E says U. I magic E says I. A magic E says A. O magic E says O. Okay, now I'm going to say a sound, then we're going to write the sound on the whiteboard here. You can do this along with me if you want. Okay, show me the two ways to spell the D sound. We know D says D. We also know ED, the suffix ED, can make the D sound. Show me the two ways to make the long A sound. Long A says A. We know A says A, and A magic E says A. Show me the way we would spell the sound id, like in the word landed. This would be an ED, makes the id sound in the word landed. Show me the two ways that we know to spell the long U sound. Long U says U. We know U says U, and U magic E says U. Show me the way what we would do to spell ing. Ing is spelled I-N-G. That spells ing. Show me the ank. Ank. A-N-K. Long A, nk. Ank. Show me the two ways to spell the T sound. We know T says T. We also know the suffix ED can make the T sound, like in the word mist. Show me ink. I-N-K says ink, like in think. Now we're going to practice reading some of our words. Ready? Ang, sprang. I change this sound. Now we have ing, spring. Ink, brink. Ink, blink. Ink, shrink. Strong, strong. Prong, prong.